Okay, quick updates lang po. Meron tayong bagong app no mula sa gobyerno natin, egov.ph no. So itong egov.ph na app na ito, you can download it sa iOS o kaya sa Android natin. Ito yung nagsisilbing bridge daw no ng Philippine government and the Filipino people towards a public service in a click. So hindi na tayo kailangan pumunta sa mga opisina parate ano. So it's also known as the e-Government Philippines, so mobile application siya gaya ng sinabi ko. Ang mga pupwede natin gawin dyan ay mga multi-sectoral government one-stop online system para i-minimize yung economic cost ng paggawa ng mga transaction. So ito po yung nakikita natin dyan. Ano? Ito yung itsura ng app natin. At ang mga features niya, nasa-simplify yung government transactions with various agencies. You can apply using this app for passport, driver's license, if you're going to renew your vehicle registration, and paying your taxes. No? It's also a rich source of information on government initiatives, healthcare services, emergency numbers and services, national disaster hotline, at saka police hotline. It also allows users to view the status of your transactions sa Pag-ibig, SSS, e-portal, e-travel, no? Very useful yan sa akin. SSS at saka sa GSIS and sa PhilHealth. Okay? So, actually, nung nag-ano ako kanina kasi nakakaaliw pinascan lang niya yung PhilSys ID ko tapos na-fill up na niya. So, happy, no? Digitalized government-issued IDs, makukuha natin dyan. May SIM card registration din. Travel declaration forms for outbound and inbound travelers pag tayo ay lumalabas ng bansa. At saka paggawa daw ng CV or curriculum vitae natin at saka for job searching po pwede rin niyang magamit. So how do we register sa egov.ph? So the first thing that you do is to download the app. So install the egov app. Pwede yan sa Google Play Store at saka sa App Store. And then register your account. So nandito po ako sa stage na to, no? Provide, naggawa ko na yan, yung mobile number at pag-authenticate ng one-time PIN. At yung step 3, dito na ako natatagalan kasi napapa-verify ako ng aking account pero hindi nagwo-work. Ayan, no? Enter your basic information tapos may facial recognition, kailangan mong mag-first face left, face right, tapos mag-blink-blink ka, ganyan. In fairness, no? May technology na nangyayari. So, sana this is a step forward towards a more efficient transaction system with the Philippine government. Ako po si Sir Vince, ang inyong financial guru, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.